Hey guys! So my kids have been begging to make ice cream, but ever since the kitchen renovation, I cannot find my ice cream maker. So this past weekend, we spent recipe testing no-churn ice creams, and today I'm gonna show you our favorite cookies and cream ice cream. This is the real deal. There is nothing healthy about it, but it is the creamiest, richest ice cream you'll ever have. I'm Meg, and I'm passionate about finding ways to make life with kids easier in the kitchen. Okay, so for this recipe, you'll need sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream, vanilla extract, and chocolate sandwich cookies. Not only does this recipe not require an ice cream maker, but it is incredibly easy to make. So we're gonna start by pouring our condensed milk into a bowl, and this is where all the sweetness is coming from. And then I'll add a splash of vanilla, followed by a nice stir. And then our next step is to whip our heavy cream. I'm gonna use a stand mixer because it's a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna dump it in. And then I'll get my mixer started on low, moving to high. You're gonna wanna whip this for a good 2 to 3 minutes until you see some soft peaks forming. Now that the heavy cream is whipped, you're gonna add a little bit at a time to the condensed milk. And then you're just gonna fold it in gently. And then of course the last step is to add your crushed cookies. And then again, you're just gonna fold them in. You can crush your cookies small, leave them big, however you like them. I like to have little specks of cookies throughout. Now you need to turn your ice cream out into a freezer-safe container, and I find that a bread pan is the perfect size. And then I'll use the back of my spoon to smooth it down. Now into your freezer for at least 8 hours. I usually do mine overnight. All right guys, I had another ice cream already frozen so I could scoop into it and show you how amazing this texture is. This ice cream is the perfect summer treat. You can put it in a bowl, on top of a cone. Definitely keep the serving size small or your kids will bounce off the walls.
It is delicious. I have a feeling you cheated. You bought this.
I did not buy it, I promise.
I think it's the best thing you made.
Thanks. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.
You totally bought this.
I promise I didn't.